Okay, we are on recording. So today, Param, we have two presentations. Two kids are doing their bhajan, and whatever the time is remaining, we'll do Kahoot
Mataji.
crossword puzzle, and we are also doing what crossword. We are doing match the following, yeah,
And Kahoot.
in Kahoot. Okay.
Mataji, can you still register, or is it time?
Yeah, you did not register your name.
No, I forgot.
Okay.
Mataji, for Nityananda Trayodashi, like we, Sitapriti Mataji asked for Adya also to take something, Mataji. So we
Yeah.
need to take qualities of Nityananda, Prabhu?
Anything that she wants to present about Nityananda, even a card, like draw Nityananda and write some thing about Nityananda, that also she can present if she don't have time to prepare a story.
Okay, do you want to tell? I told her, Mataji, if I can help her with the presentation, she will read. Is that okay?
Yes, Mataji. On Tuesday only we have less kids, but Wednesday again we have Vrunda and Palvit. Thursday we have full slots. Friday we have full slots. So tomorrow only you can make her to present, Mataji, if any story she wants to. There is an
Okay.
ISKCON Desire Tree. The small kids stories are also there. You can
Okay.
try to present that. You have this Gauranga book, Mataji. This book has lot of stories of Lord Nityananda and Lord Gauranga. So this book helps to present some story from this or any bhajan. There are rhymes also that I've shared with you, Mataji. I mean, in the group I have shared. I can send it to you. She can
Okay.
present to do the rhymes.
Yeah,
This
sure,
time she can.
Mataji.
This is a easy method for her, Mataji, for this time because it's a last minute. She can make a card. She can draw Nityananda or she can draw anything about Nityananda and she can write some beautiful words about Nityananda and then she can do the rhyme. She can present the
Yeah.
rhyme. I have like two rhymes. Two rhymes I
Yeah.
have. Yeah.
Sure, Mataji. Yeah.
Yeah, she can present. That's easiest for her for this time being because it's a last minute and she can't do so much. So next
Yeah.
time she will be doing actual presentation. Is that okay, Adya?
Yes,
And Param,
Mataji.
if you want to present today, you can present a bhajan. Or if you want to present tomorrow, it's still welcome.
Yeah.
You can do it tomorrow.
I'll do it tomorrow. And Mataji, I was thinking I can like tell a story.
You want to tell a story for tomorrow? I will write your
Yeah.
name in the list. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
From next time onwards, you have to check for the list and put your name. Okay, Param?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, that's okay. This time I'm writing your name for tomorrow. Who else wanted to do? Maithili? Do you want to do any presentation tomorrow?
My mom said that I'm gonna do a Nityananda bhajan.
Bhajan. Which day? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? We have
Maybe.
Thursday full slots. Either you can go on Tuesday or Wednesday.
My mom didn't tell me yet.
Oh,
Wait,
Maithili, your name
Mataji.
is there. Your name is there already there. It's there on Thursday.
Mataji, actually,
Not
can you
Thursday.
move me to Wednesday? Wednesday? So I get more
You want
time.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
Wednesday we have 3 kids, Param. I think I can give you tomorrow only.
Okay.
Because it's because a presentation, Vrinda's presentation takes a time. So I think it will be hard. You
Yeah,
can do
I have a really big presentation.
not
Mataji,
big one.
my presentation's on Friday.
Yeah, your name is on Friday, Ryan. Maithili, your name there. I did not check. It's there on Thursday. Okay. So
Okay.
don't worry. Your
Mataji,
name is there.
what's the latest date for giving the presentation so I can like have more time to prepare?
This time, this is not a big presentation. Everybody gets 10 to 15 minutes only.
Yeah, it's only one story.
One story. You can make a card. You did not see what the announcement came, Param. You please check
Okay.
The WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I'll check.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay. So, Param, you can either make a card, you can sing a bhajan, you can do one story about Lord Nityanand. Everybody gets 10 to 15 minutes of time. Like max is 15 minutes, not more than that. Because each slot has like every day 3 to 4 kids are presenting. So if you all take like so much of time, the other kid won't get a chance to present much. Okay. Now we are already 6 minutes past. We have
Mataji,
Krishna over here. I don't see Tanvi. Yes.
it won't let me edit.
It won't let you edit. Maybe they closed it. I wrote your name though. You can see your name. I will say story. Param.
Okay, yeah, I see my name. Thank you.
Okay, story. I put your name. Okay. Okay, I put your name. Maithili is there. Who else is there? Okay,
Aditi?
Aditi's name is also.
Liva.
Livan is not there. Okay, Livan. Do you want to present anything about Lord Nityananda? Okay, Livan is not answering. So, Krishna Naina, are you ready with your bhajan? Okay, go ahead and start your bhajan. Unmute yourself. Everybody will be muted. Nobody's talking. Livan, we will talk about it. Okay?
I
At the end
don't
of the
want
class.
to present.
You don't want to present. Okay, fine. No problem. Okay, Krishna Naina, go ahead.
Is everyone going to repeat or do I just sing by myself?
No, you are going to sing by yourself because everybody repeats. It goes. It's your song will not come nice.
Parama karuna pahutui jana nitai gaura chandra nitai gaura chandra Sabavatara Sarasiromani Kevalananda Kanda Bajo Bajo Bai Chaitanya Nitai Sudrida Viswasa Kori Visayacharya Serase Majiya Muke Bolo Hari Hari Te Kore Bhai Tribhuvane Nai Emona Yala Dhata Pasupaki Chure Pasana Vidhare Sune Janara Gunagata Samsare Majia Rohili Poria Sepade Nahilo Asa Apana Karama Punjaye Samana Kaho Yelo Jana Thasa Nitai Kaura Chandra Nitai Kaura Chandra Nitai Kaura Chandra.
Thank you, Krishna Naina. Would you like to read the meaning of it?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead.
The two lords, Nitai Gauranga, are very merciful. They are the essence of all incarnations. The specific significance of these incarnations is that they introduced a process of chanting and dancing that is simply enjoyable. Too.
Krishna,
My
there is some disturbance. I don't know why. Can you check your microphone?
Oh, okay, let's see. Is that better, Mataji?
No, Krishna Naina. That's okay. That's okay. We can skip the meaning. Anyway, Tanvi came. Thank you, Krishna Naina, for such a beautiful singing. The way you sang, it's so nice. And I would like to see you singing like that. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. You are the starter for this Nityananda talent show. Um, you begin with such a beautiful bhajan. Thank you so much,
Wait,
Krishna.
Mataji, is there
I'm
going
so
to be a
happy to
winner?
see you back. I'm so happy to see you back, and please continue join us and sing so beautifully like this. Whatever is possible, like now you're big, you're in the bigger grades, you don't have a time to present, but at least you can sing a button. Whatever is possible, right? That's what it said. Thank you so much for putting your heart and singing so nicely for all of us. Yes, everybody can thank Krishna Naina, one after the other. Ryan, you can go now.
Mataji, I didn't finish it yet. But Mataji, I want to. Is there going to be like a winner?
No, Ryan, everybody is winner. I'm so sorry about
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So everybody wanted to say Hari Bol to Krishna Naina? Hari Bol! Hari
Hari
Bol!
Bol!
Hari Bol! Nice. So now we have Tanvi. Tanvi, did you practice any bhajan? Tanvi, did you practice any Nityananda bhajan?
No.
No, you don't want to present anything? Would you like to make a card about Nityananda? Draw Nityananda's picture? Yes?
Hare Krishna Mataji, Palvit speaking.
Yes.
I thought we were doing this Nityananda Trodasi on Wednesday.
No, this whole week we are doing that.
Oh.
Your turn is on Wednesday. Your turn, your slot is on Wednesday, okay?
I got confused.
Don't get confused. I have an activity. We are going to start that, okay? So, Tanvi, I know you are new to this group and you might not know any bhajan. That's completely fine. You can make a card for Nityananda. You know Nityananda picture, how he looks?
No.
You know who is Lord Nityananda? I'm going to show you that picture. Okay, I will send it to your mom's phone number. Lord Nityananda picture. You can draw that. Will you draw for that picture? If I send the picture?
Yes.
Yes. Good girl. I will send some of the pictures from the drawed. I will send that pictures to your mama's phone and you're going to draw and you're going to write something about Lord Nityananda and show us, okay?
Okay.
That Tanvi is a good girl. I like her so much. So sweet. So let's get into today's class. Like I have many things today.
Mataji, is
Yes.
Nityananda Nitai called?
Yes. Yes. Nithai. Yes.
We have
Mhm.
Nitai Gors.
Yes, we have Nitai Gaur. Yes. Then what is Gauranga
Mataji.
Mahaprabhu called? Gauranga Mahaprabhu's nickname? Anybody?
Nimai.
Nimai. What is Nityananda's nickname?
Nitai.
Nitai. Yes. Now everybody got it?
Mataji.
Nitai. Nitai is Nityananda. Nimai is Gauranga. Okay.
Mataji.
Please don't disturb me.
I have Nitai Gaurchandra.
Okay, very nice. So we will go ahead and we'll start. So we are learning about Lord Nityananda. We'll quickly do prayers. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurumilitam Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pascharine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay.
Krishna.
Okay.
Mataji,
Today's
can I
quote.
read the quote?
Param. Okay, Param, go ahead.
Okay, Mataji. February 3rd. You said that your job is Maya, but you must know that Maya is illusion. As soon as there is absence of Krishna consciousness, that is Maya. But you are working just to help and push Krishna's interest. Therefore, it is not Maya. Anything using Krishna consciousness
Is everybody hearing that noise when Param is speaking?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Why is that noise
Because
coming
it's
today?
coming from someone else's. Everybody's
Can
like,
everybody be mute? Mute only. Param should be.
Mataji,
Param
is it
should be
better?
unmuted. No, that I can hear that noise. When I am speaking, I think it's not coming. Okay, 1 second. I'm muting everybody. Can you hear that noise when I am speaking?
No, Mataji, we can't.
Okay.
Oh,
Only Param is
Mataji,
speaking. It's
no.
coming when
Mataji, there was another person who was.
Okay. Okay. Can you please mute, Kabir? Okay. Now, Param, you can unmute. Everybody is on mute. You can unmute and read.
Okay, Mataji. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, but I can hear that noise also.
Like a very little.
Go ahead. Continue. Read that.
February 3rd. You said that your job is Maya, but you must know that Maya is illusion. As soon as there is absence of Krishna consciousness, that is Maya. But you are working just to help and push Krishna's interest. Therefore, it is not Maya. Anything used in Krishna consciousness is real renouncement. Letter to Jay Govinda, February 3rd, 1970, HareKrishnaCalendar.com.
Thank you. Now we have Adya. Adya, go ahead and read.
You said 3rd February, you said your job is Maya, but you must know that Maya's illusions as soon as there are absence of Krishna consciousness, that's Maya. But you are working just to help and push Krishna in interest. Therefore, it is not Maya. Anything used in Krishna consciousness is a real renouncement. Letter to J. Govinda, February 3rd, 1970, Hare Krishna Calendar.com.
Thank you, Adya. Thank you so much for that beautiful reading. Okay. Now, Madhav will, no, Palvit will read. Sorry, Palvit was raising hand before. Palvit, go
Yes,
ahead.
Mataji. 3rd February. You said that your job is Maya, but you must know that Maya is illusion. As soon as there is absence of Krishna consciousness, that Maya, you are working just to help and push Krishna's interest. Therefore, it's not Maya. Anything used in Krishna consciousness is real announcement. Letter to Jaya Govinda, February 3rd, 1970. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Palvit. Now, Vrinda will try to explain it. Vrinda, explain. Explain. What did you understand? You don't know how to explain? Explain, Vrinda. What did you understand from this?
Mataji, can I explain?
Yes.
So basically, people are saying that their job is Maya. But you should know that Maya is bad. So basically, like you should get, like when Krishna consciousness spreads around, like if your family starts to know, you shouldn't be like, no, I don't want to do this. You should know that Krishna is the God. He is the controller of everything. He made Brahma, Shiva, and everything. And therefore, Krishna is not Maya. Krishna is like supreme personality of Godhead. He accepts his devotees and he gave us
Thank
one
you,
job.
Palvit. Thank you so much. Here, what is explaining is never think what we are doing is Maya. Like if you are going to the job or if you're going to the school, you might think it's a Maya, but it's not Maya. When you are in keeping Krishna in your center, of your life and do whatever you want to do, like day-to-day life, going to job, going to the school. That is what it's needed. But if you are doing everyday Krishna consciousness, but you're not focusing on Krishna, if you're removing, like you're not giving Krishna attention, but you're saying I'm Krishna conscious devotee, then it's not the real thing. You do everything that you want to do and keep Krishna in the center, and that is called the real Krishna consciousness. That is called the real renunciation. Yes.
So that if you go to your job and if you go to school and if you do your job, you should always be in Krishna consciousness. And but if you're what is it, have like not doing Krishna consciousness, then that is Maya.
That is Maya. Yes, that's what I'm explaining. Yeah, that's Maya. If you always keep Krishna in the center and do everything, then Maya will not catch up. When you're not keeping Krishna in your center, then Maya will catch up. That's whole thing should be Krishna in the center. Yeah. So today's activity, as I already said, that we are doing about Lord Nityananda, right? We are going to practice about Lord Nityananda. We already had a bhajan by Krishna Naina. We don't have anybody
Mataji.
present. Yes.
I know the picture which is like Nityananda like this. I know that picture is from Becoming Your Devotee.
Yes, becoming your devotee. Okay. So fine. Okay. Now we will do some match the following. A lot of kids know, but there are some kids who don't know this. We will see what is it. Okay. Are you all ready to do it?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Ganga, where this answer will go. Actually, where the Lord Nityananda's pastime, where is Ganga comes in Nityananda, Nityananda's pastime. Anybody?
Can I say?
You can see here, wives of Lord Nityananda, Nitya's favorite role. Okay, I will explain. Okay, I will do this one. Actually, we are doing the same questions for the match the following, same the question for the crossword, and same questions for Kahoot. If you listen to me attentively, then you can win Kahoot. Okay, are you all ready?
Yay!
Yeah.
So Ganga is Nityananda's daughter. Okay, daughter of Lord Nityananda.
I thought sister.
Stop, Vrinda. When I'm explaining, don't talk. Okay. Ganga is daughter of Lord Nityananda. Okay?
Mataji,
Yes.
I can't hear you. It's because like the volume is like low.
Is everybody feeling the same?
Yeah, no, Mataji, like, but there was a little noise, but it's fine now.
Okay. I request everybody to be on mute. Thank you so much. Please be on mute. We will do this match the following and then we can do the crossword puzzle. Okay. And also the Kahoot. So Ganga, who is Ganga? Lord Nityananda's daughter. Who is Janava? Lord Nityananda's wife of Lord Nityananda. Now again, who is Ganga? Daughter of? Everybody.
Nityananda.
Yes, daughter of Nityananda. Who is Janava? Janava Devi is wife of Lord Nityananda. What is Ekachakra? Ekachakra is a place where Lord has appeared. Everybody know or no? Don't know this one.
I don't know,
Don't-
Mataji.
I know.
Nobody knows this?
I don't know, Mataji.
Okay. Okay. So fine. Okay. Who is the daughter of Nityananda?
Ganga.
Ganga.
Ganga. And who is the wife of Nityananda?
Jamba.
Janava Devi.
Janava.
And where did Nityananda appeared?
Ekachakra.
Ekachakradam. Ekachakradam. Okay. Okay, fine. See, when Lord Nityananda was very small, he used to enact the pastimes of Lord Krishna and Lord Rama also. And he used to play with all of his friends. And one such pastime that Lord Nityananda likes is playing the role of Lakshmana. Lord Nityananda loved to play the role of Lakshmana. What is the favorite role of Lord Nityananda? To play enact is playing a role of Lakshmana. Okay.
Lakshmana.
Okay. Then, what is the mother's name of Lord Nityananda? Is Padmavati. Okay. Lord Nityananda's mother's name is Padmavati. Okay.
Yes.
The famous festival of Raghunath Das Goswami, who is one of the associate and devotee of Lord Nityananda. His famous festival happens giving the mercy to Raghunath Das Goswami. What is that festival called? Panihati festival. Yes?
Pani vegetable.
Panihati festival. Okay. So when Lord Nityananda appeared in this world, he ended up his pastimes by merging into one deity, that is Bankim Rai. He merged to that deity and he left from this material world and he went back to the spiritual world. We know Lord Nityananda and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? There are two people, two personalities. So when Lord Nityananda and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu were not in the same place, but they are brothers, they are eternal brothers. So when Lord Nityananda was 32 years old, he met Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Is that okay?
Yeah.
When did he met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? When he was 32 years old. And we talked about Lord Nityananda's mother. Now we're going to talk about Lord Nityananda's father. Who is he? His name is Hadai Pandit. Hadai Pandit. Okay? And when Lord, yes, Param? Okay.
No,
So
Mataji, I was
when-
just saying the.
Okay. When Nityananda Prabhu want to meet Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was waiting in one place in Navadvip. In which place? It's in Nandanacharya's house. In Nandanacharya's house, Lord Nityananda was waiting to meet Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay. Now, did you got a little bit of idea what we talked? Yes or no? Okay, let's do it again. Who is Lord Nityananda's mother?
Padmavati.
Padmavati.
Padmavati. Everybody, I wanted to see the answers on the screen and answer it, okay? Who is the Nityananda's mother?
Padmavati.
Padmavati. What is the father's name?
Hadai Pandit.
Hadai Pandit. Okay, what is Lord Nityananda's wife's name?
Janava.
Jahnavi.
Janava. Okay. Now, what is Nityananda's daughter's name?
Ganga.
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 Yes.
Ganga.
Okay. In which place Nityananda took birth?
Ekachakra.
Chakradam. Okay, that's good. Okay, now when Nityananda was very small, he played a place with his friends. He played Krishna Leela, he played Rama Leela. What was his favorite role that he used to play?
Lakshmana.
Lakshmana. Okay. When Nityananda met Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how old he was?
32.
32, Mataji.
32.
Okay. Very good. Very good. When Nityananda, where did he wait to meet Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Nityananda wait in somebody's house to meet Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Which house?
Nandanacharya.
Nandanacharya.
Nandanacharya. Yes.
Nandanacharya.
Okay. And how did Lord Nityananda left from this material world? He merged into one deity. What is that deity?
Bankim Rai.
Bankim Rai. Yes. Yes. What is that famous festival that where
Panihati.
Raghunath Dasa Goswami?
Panihati.
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 Did everybody got what I am speaking or no?
Yes.
Mataji, are we gonna have a Kahoot on this?
No,
Yes, we are going to have a Kahoot on the same
He
question.
was Panihati. 32 years.
Just the last slide.
So we will do the crossword puzzle. I will send the link for this. Yes. Let's do the crossword puzzle first. Okay, I'm going to send the link here. You all need to do the crossword puzzle and you will be sending the screenshot in the group. Okay, I already described all the questions. All the questions we discussed nicely. Wait, let me send that link in the chat box. You just, Tanvi, you just have to click this link and do it in the phone, Nana. It's very easy to do it. I will show you. Just you have to fill in the crossword puzzle. I can put the match the following like that only what we just did so that you guys can see the spellings.
Which link you said for the
Yeah, here, crossword puzzle link. Click on this link.
Okay.
Okay, just do it from this point. You can do it from here. Okay, now I'm just going to share this screen on. And please tell me if anybody have any problem with getting on to that crossword puzzle. See, the answers are here. You just need to fill them
Wait,
by seeing the clue.
I don't understand, Mataji.
Who is that?
Tanvi?
Tanvi? Okay, can you call your mom?
Uh-huh.
Okay, please call.
Are we gonna start the Kahoot?
How many of you are able to get onto this crossword puzzle? Crossword thing.
B. Wait, does it have to be capital?
It doesn't matter.
Mataji, I only know one question. The other ones I don't know.
Just try.
Okay, Ryan, look it on the screen, okay? If you can do this, then you will be able to do Kahoot nicely. I already explained it. Okay, you can skip Ryan. How many of you can do this?
Me, Mataji.
You have to enter this one.
Me.
Mataji, Aditi joined, halfway. I told her few answers, but if I tell quickly, you can, repeat that.
Yeah, shoot. When you're doing this again, I can repeat this. Okay, let's go ahead. Well, first question is like, who is the mother of Nityananda? It's Padmavati. You can see the spelling here. You can just type from here. Okay. Did you got it?
Yes.
Most of you are all joining Bhakti Sangha from many years, and everybody knows this, and some few kids don't know. I'm repeating it again. Okay. So,
Mataji,
yes.
I
I
didn't
don't
like
know.
the question because I wasn't able to hear properly, but now I found a reason and now I can hear properly.
Okay. See, now listen to the questions and answers. Okay. What is the name of mother of Lord Nityananda? What is the name of Mother Nityananda? It's Padmavati. If you can fill the crossword puzzle, that will be done. Okay. Fill it. And the next question is, what is the father's name? It is Hadai Pandit. Hadai Pandit. Okay. Which place Lord Nityananda was born? It is
Ekachakra.
Ekachakradham. It is Ekachakradham. Okay. And
Mataji,
what is the, yes, Palvit?
I knew one question, Eka Chakra, the place, but if it shows red, that means you got it wrong.
Yes, but you can see the spelling from here and type exactly. Then you will get it right.
Ek,
Go ahead. Okay. So, okay, how many of you are not able to do this? Then I will just say the past time and then
Me, Mataji.
you are not able to do this. Okay. Who else is not able to do? Maithili, are you able to do this?
Also, I'm not able to do.
Kabir, you are not able to do?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then we will skip it. How many are doing? At least tell me how many are doing. Except Vrinda, anybody else doing? Anybody else doing except Vrinda?
Mataji, Aditi is doing.
Okay, very good, Aditi.
I'm doing it.
Adya, are you trying?
Yeah, but they got
Yes,
to.
yes, Mataji. Yes.
But
it's-
they got to check mark. Into
Okay, you can try. It's very easy
Good
questions.
job, Adya.
It's very easy. Okay, Krishna Naina, are you trying? Madhav, whoever is trying, if you can raise hand, then I can see if I can
Mataji.
wait on this activity.
Mataji, I'm confused on like by Nityananda's mercy, Raghunath Das.
Okay, that is Panihati. I have
Mataji,
explained you.
do we have to do this?
Who is that?
Ryan.
Ryan. You don't have to do Ryan. You don't have to do. If How many of you are doing? If you raise hand, I will know that. Okay, Param is doing. Aditi. Balavrinda is doing. How many else?
Mataji, I'm doing. I'm doing it.
Okay, Madhav is doing. Very good. Okay. Again, Ganga is a daughter of Nityananda. Janava Devi is a wife of Lord
Mataji.
Nityananda.
Is it correct, like when Nityananda Prabhu reached the land of Nadia, he is in the house of Bakamure?
No. He is in the house of Nandanacharya.
Oh, Nandanacharya. Why did he hide though?
He hid it there to just have some different like rasa. He wanted to stay there, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes personally there, and he welcomes Lord
Mataji
Nityananda.
kicked me out of the crossword.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
I know this.
Fine. Who else is doing?
Everybody already did.
Krishna Naina, you're not doing it?
No, Mataji.
Oh,
Okay, fine. So I will give another couple of
Mataji,
minutes
where-
and
I
then
don't see
with the
the-
same questions.
I don't see the link.
You don't see the link? Who is that?
That's part.
Okay, go ahead.
Mataji, I don't see the link.
I sent it in again in the chat box, Param.
But I'm on my school computer, so it
Fine,
won't
that's
work.
okay. That's okay. No worries. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Whoever is doing, how many more minutes you want to finish this?
one more second.
Mataji Palvit.
Yeah.
One more second.
Brinda, you can send the screenshot in the group. You can just zoom less. Like this, it will come.
Wait, then why is that now green? Wait.
That's okay.
But
The last one will be like that only, Brinda. The last one will be
Mataji,
like that only.
Mataji,
Hmm.
when it says Nitai's favorite role when he announced the virus pastimes of Lord Rama, is it Lakshmana?
Yes. What is the favorite role of Lord Nityananda?
Yeah,
Is
Lakshmana.
Lakshmana's role.
Lakshmana.
Write your name.
Oh, this is hard. 5. Nityananda, when he was playing years old. 30.
We will do the same questions, Kahoot. Are you all ready? You can again revise if you want. Again, I'm going to tell you the answer.
Oh.
No, Mataji, we're
I just did
Nityananda
for
Prabhu met
first
Chaitanya
day.
Mahaprabhu when he was years of how many years? Yeah, 32.
32 years, yes.
Yeah, can you put
Screenshot.
Now 6. Mother of Lord Nityananda, I think I
Oh,
know.
text.
Mataji, are we playing right now?
Yes, we will pay Tanvi. Sorry, Tanvi. These questions are little hard for you. I can understand. That's why it's the same questions we'll put in Kahoot, okay? You'll
Okay.
enjoy. The same questions we are doing in the Kahoot, not any different questions. So that you guys understand the basic information about this Lord Nityananda.
Mataji, can we start?
Yes, Param, can you please wait for others? Can you be a little patient?
Get your computer.
Okay. Adya, are you done?
I'm not done yet.
Yes.
Ryan, please wait.
Right.
Okay, be patient.
Don't.
Okay, if everybody is done with the crossword puzzle, You can finish it later also. After you do
I'm
Kahoot, you
done.
will know that. Okay. You cannot put like that in the middle, Brinda. How can they see that? You have to put it here, your name.
Okay, I accidentally forgot to.
Then you can send it again. Okay, let's play the Kahoot now.
How'd I send it again?
You all can finish this crossword puzzle at home and send it, okay? Just send the screenshot that you are done, okay? Those are very easy.
My phone.
If you are now, you'll be doing the same thing in the Kahoot. In the same phone, you can do, Vinda. I did not wanted to present anything because you guys are also presenting about Lord Nityananda's childhood pastimes and everything. So if I say everything, then-
Mataji, it might be going on little weird because I'm joining on a different computer than I regularly do.
Okay, okay, fine.
Mataji, what's the pin?
Yes, yes, Tanvi. No, Aditi, I'm doing it. Give me a minute. Start. Okay, go ahead.
Why does the background look a little different?
Did you all got the pin? Tanvi, did you got the pin?
No, Mataji.
Check the pin on the screen, Tanvi.
Mataji, we need to type this in the Kahoot side, right?
Yes, 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 Mataji. It's Kahoot game. With the same questions that I revised just now.
Okay, 1 second.
It will be all the same questions. It's about Lord Nityananda. Who is Nityananda? Father, mother, wife. And when did he meet Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? In which house he did hide it when he met?
One.
I got that yet.
So we just revised all these questions.
Sign up free.
Mataji, if possible, can you ping the link, Mataji? Like for the Kahoot?
Okay, okay, I can put Mataji. No problem.
Yeah.
What happened, Mataji? It's just a pin, right?
Mataji, I
But
can.
it's, for me, it's asking for login and all.
Mataji,
So
don't
maybe
send this one.
it's-
Mataji, this would be all the answers and stuff, Mataji.
That's okay, that's okay. That's okay, let her log it. He'll get. She cannot see the answers if she is on the phone.
Okay.
On the phone, it's not visible, Param. Sorry, Palvit. Palvit, it's not visible, Nana. Only when you log into your Kahoot account, then you will be able to see the answers. Everybody is in? I can see 13 kids. That means we are
Mataji, I'm
all
not.
in.
Mataji, I'm not in.
Oh.
I'm waiting.
That's
I'm not-
14 now.
Oh, it is asking for password. Wait,
How is there an extra kid?
go to Zoom, go to Zoom, go to Zoom.
There's an extra kid up, but there's 14 people.
Fine, fine, no problem.
Uncle, why are you closing it down now? I'll go out. I need to get back in. Okay, go.
Mataji. Yes, I want it. Yeah.
Adya, are you able to get in?
No.
Yeah, 1 second,
Some
Mataji. Done,
water.
done, almost.
Okay,
Yes.
sure.
Mataji, can I
Yes.
can I drink some water? Did you Kahoot on the phone?
Yeah. I will wait for you. Go, Tanvi. Go and drink water and come. You're such a sweet girl.
Excuse me.
Who is that? Excuse me.
That's
I
fine.
accidentally breathed, Mataji. So.
Yeah, done,
Okay,
Mataji.
Adya. We will
What?
wait for Tanvi to drink water
Yeah.
and come back.
Sure, sure, Mataji.
Tanvi, once you are done, come back, you please let me know. Then
I
I'll
won't
start
tell.
it. Okay, Tanvi is not here.
A,
We'll wait
who's-
couple minutes for Tanvi to drink
Yeah,
water.
Mataji, who's
Who's
A, B, B, C, C?
yeah.
Yeah, who is that?
That's fine, whoever
And
it is.
Anya, you can change your character, you know that, right?
Tanvi went to drink water. Let her come back, okay?
Anya, you can change your character.
I know.
Yeah, she did. She did.
Okay, okay. Okay, after doing this Kahoot, you will be able to do the crossword puzzle. You all needs to finish that and send it in the group, okay? I will see who all did it. Okay,
have to?
Tanvi, good job. Now Tanvi is back. Let's start.
Mother, do we have to do the cross?
Yes, yes, Brian, you have to do it. Now everybody will be on mute. Look that everybody got it right. The same question was there in the crossword puzzle. So Ryan, if you got this right, you have to also do the crossword. Okay?
2 people got it wrong, actually.
That's okay. 2 people is nothing. Okay? It's Eka
Okay.
Chakradam. There are 2 answers for this.
Wait, what?
I will give you the one answer. Vasudha. The other one we read it from the crossword. Yes.
I always put wait.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I should have explained this. It's Janava Devi and Vasudha, both wives. Okay.
But I put 1 and I still got it right.
Okay, fine.
What? Yeah.
This we did it. Everybody should know this answer. See, look, everybody got it right. So that means
Only
you should
2 people got it wrong.
you that means you are able to do even crossword also. I should see your crossword answers on the group. Okay. When Nityananda Prabhu came to Nadia, whose house did he hide in? Okay, this question lot of you got wrong. I can understand. Maybe you don't know. It was Nandanacharya's house. It was there in even match the following, even in the crossword puzzle. The same question I have put in there also. Okay, this one we started in the beginning of the class. Our talent show. What is our talent show called? Don't answer it out. Please answer it there. Okay, it is Nithai talent show, right? We are having that. That's good. Everybody got it right. So proud of you guys. Who is the mother of Nityananda Prabhu? Let me see how many of you got it right. See, look, everybody got it right. So that means you understood Nityananda's mother is Padmavati. Good job, kids.
Yay, I got it correct.
Did Raghunath Das Goswami start the famous festival called Danda Mahotsav? Yes, see, 10 of you got correct and 5 of you got wrong. Yes, it's Danda Mahotsav is done by Raghunath Das Goswami only. Okay?
Mataji, I didn't know this question, but I was like, it starts
Yeah,
with
Palvit. But
why?
Palvit,
It
you
starts with
forgot.
why?
Palvit, can I say you something, Palvit? So we did Gauranga book, right? In our Damodar class, we covered all of these stories when we did that Gauranga book. You all came. You were there in the class. So I know
And
you might
Mataji, I
not
was like,
understand.
I
You
was
might
like,
have
I
forgot.
didn't. I was like, I know it starts with a Y and there's no Y on here. And it might be yes. And the yes of like yes can also
Fine,
be
that's okay.
true.
That's okay, Palvit. It's okay. It's you got now answer, right?
Got
It's
it
main
right
thing
though.
is
I
to
got
know
it.
the answer. It's nothing wrong if we go wrong. It's okay to go wrong. It's okay. It's completely fine.
I
It is
got it.
ultimately we should know the answer. Do we know the answer now? Yes, who
Yes.
started this Danda Mahotsav festival? It started by Raghunath Dasa Goswami.
I got it
You all
correct.
know the answer now?
Yes.
I got it correct though.
Yeah. Oh, you got it correct. That's great, Palvi. That's what we need. See, you came up also.
That was
Yeah. Okay, they are originally from Nityananda Prabhu's family was originally from
you didn't say that.
it's from Mithila. They are originally from Mithila.
Mataji,
Yes.
I didn't know the answer, but I was like, twist my head a little. I will just pick
Okay,
a
okay, fine, fine. When Preeti Mataji comes, she gives the class on special Nityananda Tridasi. That time you will know all of these answers. Okay, don't worry. It's Mithila. They are originally from Mithila, but Lord Nityananda Prabhu born in Ekachakradam. Yeah, this question I explained you guys. Everybody got it right. Okay, daughter of Nityananda Prabhu. I talked about this. Good job. See, everybody got it right. Only one student marked it as Yamuna. Okay. We talked who is Nityananda's father, right? Now it is giving something different names. Find it out whether it's correct or wrong. It's false. It is Hadai Pandit who is the father of Nityananda.
Who's drawing on the screen?
Nobody's drawing, Vrinda. Be quiet, okay, please.
Oh, okay, it's them.
Okay, this we talked about. Nitai's favorite role when he acted various pastimes of Lord Rama. Oh, very good. See, everybody got it right. It was Lakshmana's role.
Except one person.
I got confused.
That's okay, Ryan. You know now did you got the answer? That's what the main important is. Name of sannyasi who requested Nitai from his parents to travel. Okay, this one, it starts with L. It starts with L. That's the sannyasi. What happens is there was this sannyasi who comes to Lakshmipati Tirtha. See, 10 of people, 10 of you got right. So Lakshmipati Tirtha, this sannyasi comes to Lord Nityananda's parents and ask him to give Lord Nityananda in charity to him. So they gives that the sannyasi's name is Lakshmipati Tirtha. That's when Lord travels with Lakshmipati Tirtha and he goes everywhere and then he finally comes to Navadvip. Oh, we are done? Oh, Palvit is in the third place. Madhav is in the second place. And I think it's Balavrinda is in first place. Okay, runner-up is Atya. Atya and Aditi. Good job.
How do you do screen
Okay, now everybody is winner. Nobody is loser. Okay, we all know that. It's not wrong to go the answer going wrong. It's okay. Everybody does mistake. But knowing the right answer after doing wrong, that's what's it's important. Did you guys at least know which is the right answer now?
Yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
Yes, okay. That's what it is more important. Doing wrong is not at all a mistake. Okay. So now how many of you can finish the crossword and post it in the group? How many of you raise your hand? The crossword link is here in the chat box.
Mataji, I just had to get for the spelling. I got the spelling wrong.
Okay, I can put that PPT here. You can see the
Mataji,
spelling. Yes.
can you send it in the group again because like I can't see it.
Mataji, are we going to leave now?
No, I can teach the Nityananda's names, 12 names. Okay, just let some of you are doing this one.
Mataji, I
Let
did
them
not
finish.
finish.
Okay, you can finish it. Palvit, you can finish this, Nana.
Mataji, can you share it in the group?
Yes, yes, Param, I'm doing that.
Mataji, I can send it if I have a problem.
Oh, so sweet, Param. Palvit.
Huh? What? 1 minute. Lord Nityananda. Yes, Param. It's just Lord Nityananda, and if you click on it, it worked for me.
Yeah. Thank you, Mataji.
It's
Yeah.
Pal with Matpal.
See, now you all can figure it out the answers, and it's very easy to do it. It's not hard. If you need the spellings, I can send this picture that we just posted here to help you see the.
Mataji, could you send it to me?
Which one, Nana?
Mataji, could you
Which one
send
I
it
have to
to
send
me?
you, Nana? Aditi?
Could you send the picture that you're showing?
Oh, this picture, Nana, I will send you then. I will send you. Okay, let me check in the downloads or something.
Mataji,
Amma, tell me.
should we write a picture?
What picture?
You mean like for the challenge?
Ah, yeah, you have to draw a picture. I will show you the picture of Balavrindas. Okay, 1 second. Let me show that picture of Balavrindas to you.
అది crossword చూడరా. Oh yeah, Mataji.
Nana.
Can you send me this crossword puzzle?
Who is that? Jyoti
Srihari.
Mataji kids. Okay, Shrey and Srihari. I'm going to send you the crossword puzzle to Mama, okay?
Okay.
Mama WhatsApp.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Mataji, I sent you the crossword puzzle. And to finish that, the help also I can send you. I mean, if you don't, I think most of you can know the answers.
I'm coming and helping you. Okay?
Aditi, I sent you a mom, Nana, okay?
And that we also got to send by picture.
You sent mine, Mataji.
Okay, I will send it to you also. 1 second. Okay, Tanvi's number. I don't think so. I've saved Tanvi's number. Let me save first and then I will send it. Okay.
But
Okay.
do you know my mom's phone number?
I know, Nana. I will take it from the group. Okay. You are in the group, right?
Yeah, yes.
Mataji.
Amma, tell me.
Will I need to print my whole screen, or I can just take a picture from the phone?
Why you need to print the picture?
It's because like I'm on laptop, Mataji.
Oh, just a snapshot, Nana. You can do the snapshot.
I'll just ask my mom for the phone.
Yeah, snapshot. Or take a phone and take a picture from the phone, na?
Yeah,
That-
that's what I meant.
Yeah, that you can do. Okay, Tanvi's phone number, I am not able to get it. Okay, wait, let me check here. When you joined, there was a message.
Mataji,
Yes?
is class done?
Yes, Nana. Yes. Welcome, Tanvi. Okay, Tanvi's number is here. 179. 178. Okay, 178. Okay, 178. Yeah, I got it, Nana Tanvi, your number. Okay, hi. Okay, now I'm going to send this.
Not that, my photo.
And I will also send her all that also. Don't worry, Vrinda. Wait, give me a minute, okay? I will send her everything. I will send the crossword puzzle. And also I will send the pictures that Vrinda drawed, okay? So that you will know how to draw that. See, Nana, I sent what Vrinda drawed, okay?
Okay,
Ask your mama to check the phone. I sent her. Confirm me that you got the messages, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
How many of you still working on the crossword?
Me, Mataji.
Okay. So you can work on it. I also send it in the group. Can we do one time Lord Nityananda's names? Okay.
Mataji, my picture's too big. Mataji, I'm not finished.
Don't
Actually,
worry, take your time.
Mataji, it's 4 numbers. मुझे भी इतना मतलब I don't remember. Nandanacharya शायद maybe, but the second letter is M. So
Which one, Mataji? Which
four,
question?
four number the crossword.
4. Okay. You can see Vrinda has posted it in the group. Already she finished. Yes,
Mataji,
Nandanacharya Mataji.
Mataji,
N-A-N.
what if
You
someone
can
just
see the
copies
spelling,
of Vrinda?
Mataji. Nandan
Yeah.
K-C-H-A-R R-Y-A, Mataji. This is the
Yes.
spelling. That's why I'm
Mataji,
posting this.
what if someone just copies of Vrinda?
Well, it's actually hard to call.
Now I finished.
Okay.
Mataji, did you got that 4, Mataji?
No, Mataji. Maybe I'll do.
Okay. No problem, Mataji. It's Nandanacharya, Mataji. The spelling here on the screen, it's on the 10th number.
Yes, Mataji. Yeah.
Yes.
Mataji, my picture's too big.
Nana, you just load the this thing, na zoom. You have to reduce the zoom.
Mataji, I have
Reduce
to
the
leave.
size.
Okay. Something happened. Wait. Something happened.
Mataji.
Okay, reduce the zoom size and then send it. It will come.
Mataji.
Yes, Palvit. Sorry, Param.
I have to leave.
Okay, we will do one time Lord Nityananda's name and then we will leave. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's together say Nityananda
Nityananda
Avadutendur
Avadureto
Vasudha
Vasudha
Pranavallabha
Pranavallabha
Janavi
Janavi
Jivitapatihi
Jivitapatihi
Krishna Prema
Krishna Prema
Prada Prabhu
Pradaprabhu
Padmavati
Padmavati
Sutta Sriman
Subda Shriman
Sachinandana
Sachinandana
Purvaja
Purvaja
Pavonmato
Babonmato
Jagatrata
Jagatra
Rakta
Rakta
Kalevaram Rakta Gaura Kalevaram
Gaura Kalevaram.
Rakta Gaura Kalevaram.
Rakta Gaura Kalevaram.
This is what we'll do. Vancha Kalpa and we'll leave. And try to finish it. You can easily finish it and post it. Already Vrinda posted. Vancha Kalpa Tarubhyasya Kripa Sindhubhyeva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Ananta Koti Vaishnav Vrinda ki Jai Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Tanvi, did you got a message that I sent you? Can you unmute? Can we unmute?
I'll ask my mom.
Ask your mom, Nana. నేను పంపించిన మీ మమ్మీ ఫోన్ కి పంపించాను చూసుకో ఓకేనా నేను ఫొటోస్ కూడా పంపిస్తాను ఫొటోస్ కూడా పంపించాను అనుకుంటా బృంద డ్రా చేసిన ఫొటోస్ కూడా నేను పంపించాను అలా డ్రా చేయండి ఓకే తన్వి
Okay.
బాయ్ తన్వి టేక్
Bye.
కేర్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ లవ్